Fart, fart. He occasionally fart during the night. Sneeze, sneeze. When you sneeze, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. Snap the fingers. Snap the fingers. She can hear Jack making a snapping sound with his fingers. Hiccup. Hiccup. He had a big hiccup that surprised everyone. Sniff. Sniff. He did not make a loud sniff to show disapproval. Clap. Clap. Everyone in the audience clapped their hands enthusiastically. Cracking the knuckles? Cracking the knuckles? I frequently crack my knuckles. It's become a habit for me. Grind the teeth. Grind the teeth. He is grinding his teeth. Snore. Snore. The wife can't sleep well because her husband snores loudly. Whisper? Whisper? She did not speak to me in a whisper. Cry. Cry. The baby has been crying for 2 hours. Laugh. Laugh. He couldn't control his laughter, as his friend told a hilarious joke. Gargle. Gargle. He did gargle with salt water to help his sore throat feel better. Oh! Groan. Groan. He let out a groan of frustration when he realized he had forgotten his keys again. Yawn. Yawn. He put his hand in front of his mouth to hide his yawn. Giggle. Giggle. The baby's giggle was so cute and made people smile. Blow. Blow. He blew air into the balloon and watched it get bigger. Belch. Belch. He let out a loud belch after enjoying a delicious meal. Snort. Snort. Suddenly, he gave a loud snort. Sigh. Sigh. He let out a deep sigh of relief after finishing his exam. Scream. Scream. He let out a loud scream when he saw the spider on the wall. Whistle. Whistle. He let out a loud scream when he saw the spider on the wall. Thanks for watching till the end. Your valuable comments are much appreciated.